everyone, I thought I'd do a quick video to show you how to apply a stamp onto your eggs. I've had two made for us, one that's eggs with a little rainbow and one that says thank you. And it's a great way to personalise your eggs if you're giving them to someone as a gift or as a thank you for looking after your hens, or if you just want to make them look super cute. They do look cute, but they are a little tricky to get into the swing of. So I would recommend you practice before you stamp the ones that you want to give away. I'm using a Collop ink and ink pad. I've tried lots of different inks. This is the best one. Most of the inks, you can try all sorts of different ones, tend to not dry on the eggshell due to the bloom that the hen lays on the egg, makes them a bit tricky to dry. And this has been a little bit of trial and error to get these to dry nicely. So as the stamp's quite small, just put some ink on it. Have a piece of paper just so you can remove any excess ink, because the more ink you apply to the egg, the longer it's going to take to dry. Now the place you want to stamp is the fat part of the egg, so you put the pointy egg in the box. You want to stamp this fat part because that's what's going to look really lovely when you open the box and have lots of stamps on your eggs. Also, least likely area to get touched as well, to smudge them, is actually one of the harder areas to stamp on the egg. So this is video number 3 as I've smudged and missed off some of the eggs so far. So I'm going to do the thank you one and try and get all the letters on top of the egg this time. So I'm not going to talk and I'm just going to concentrate. It's a thank you, so you can kind of see the T, but then when you pop that back in the egg box, it looks lovely and super cute. So I'm going to swap to the egg rainbow. The issue I have here is the arcs of the rainbow sometimes get mixed off. So again, I'm going to try and do the top of this egg. If you find you can't do the tops, you can do the sides. They're just not quite so noticeable. And you can press quite firmly on the eggs. And there we go, a little egg rainbow over the top. So here's in Blue Peter style. Here's a few I made earlier. Some are better than others. I might just have another go at the thank you one on this egg as I stamp to the side. You will need to give them a good hour or so to dry. Yay, that one worked. And obviously the thicker the ink, the longer they take to dry. But as you can see, they do all look very cute in the box. And you can then as well put either a little message in the top, your thank you stamp in the top, also looks super cute. And then makes it really lovely. And then you just need some nice egg labels to go on the top. Hope you found that useful. Hope you enjoy the egg stamps. Thanks for watching.